Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a nail design which is totally for beginners. And I used to do this design back in the days, like always when it was spring, so I wanted to do it as well. So you want to start off by having your nails painted with a color of your choice, and also to create a little daisies or flowers you will need a dotting tool. I got these two, but if you don't have a dotting tool, you can use end of bobby pin or something like that. It's super easy to create. And then I'm just dipping it into some white nail polish, and I will be creating little dots that will actually make a little daisy flowers. And I love daisies, they're super cute. They're much cuter like in nature when you see a daisy than on my nail, but since I haven't done this in a while, it turned out a little bit messy, as you can see. Well, not messy, just a little bit off, but I still like it and I will still rock it no matter what, because that is the point of nail art. It's trial and error, and you try and see, like practice makes everything perfect. And I love it because it does give you that spring vibe and it's super easy to do. So I'm creating a few little daisies on my nail, and I just like flowers and I love nature, so I was like, why not have it on my nails as well. And I will be doing more spring designs, so stay tuned for that, because this one is just the first one and I wanted to do this one for beginners because I feel like it's the staple one. So there you have it. And then I went in and I created a little dots around the daisies because I wanted to complete the design with this. And obviously we're going to create a little center of the daisy. If you don't have any studs, you can use actually like some colored nail polish, maybe yellow or whatever you prefer, but I would go with yellow. But in this case I went with a little studs, as you can see, and I'm adding some top coat, and then I'm going to apply stud right to it, as you can see. And I think it's so cute. It looks very nice and it looks like it's kind of professional, but you did it yourself, which is something that I love. And I always like adding a little bit of studs or gems just to make everything like that extra sparkly. If that is something you're going for, that is definitely something that I'm going for, so that's what I did. And I think they turned out pretty cute. So yeah, I'm just going to top it off with some top coat at the end. So I'm going right with some top coat to seal everything in and actually adds a beautiful shine, plus protects your studs and everything is locked in place. So there you have it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in comments, because I always love hearing your opinion. And until next time, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.